this is Niki Black. I'm here at ABA TECHSHOW in Hilton in Chicago. I'm here with Sam Glover, who is an attorney and the editor at Lawyerist. How you doing, Sam?
Good, thanks.
I have a couple questions for you.
Fire away.
And I'm looking for these opinions because you're so opinionated. First thing I want to know is, do you think that lawyers should go solo right out of law school?
Absolutely not.
Okay.
But it's kind of like, should you go to law school in the first place? Right? The answer is no. Most people shouldn't go to law school.
All right.
But if you're the kind of stubborn person that would ignore that advice and go, chances are you are the right sort of person who can succeed in law school and potentially go on to succeed as a lawyer, or you've really misjudged yourself. But the same is true for starting a law firm. Most people should not start a law firm right out of law school because it's just too challenging to try and learn how to practice law competently, to get clients and to run a business all at the same time. It's just too much. But if you're the kind of stubborn person that's going to ignore me, even though that's really true, you probably shouldn't, then maybe you are probably the type of person that could actually succeed at it.
All right, that makes sense. Let's move on to question 2. I want to know if you think that attorneys are going to be replaced by robots, as some legal futurists are predicting.
Some tasks that lawyers do can be automated, and if they can be automated, they should be automated. And the more automated we can make them, the closer to free they ought to get. And so those things probably are going to be, the lawyers who rely on those things as their bread and butter may not be able to do that in the future, and probably shouldn't be able to rely on those things. But there are certainly skills that require both personal skills, coaching as in like helping a client go through their legal issue, which is often a personal issue, an emotional issue. Those sorts of things, it's harder to imagine how that's going to work. And then, as we know from Star Trek, there are actually litigators in the future. So pretty sure, androids aside, robots aren't going to be replacing lawyers anytime soon.
So you had to bring Star Trek in it just to convince me of your argument. I
Absolutely.
see how you're working.
Data does advocate at one point, however, and he is technically a robot.
So there you go.
So it's hard to say.